Now is available at McCarthy Cars Audi A6 diesel 63 plate 2013 metallic grey. Car has front fog lights, it's got front parking sensors. Car has 17-inch alloy wheels. It's panoramic glass roof. Car has rear parking sensors. TDI diesel car. Car has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, panoramic glass roof, four electric windows, electric and folding mirrors, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. Telephone, Bluetooth connection, media, DAB radio, Audi multimedia, 2-slot memory cards, auto start stop function, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, push button to start, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.